be overcome, to be got over. Do you agree with this statement? And this statement goes to Sergei Kotler.
First thing I want to say that I don't understand this question.
There is no doubt that life is given us not to be enjoyed, but to be overcome, to be got over.
So what is overcome? To be got over.
By someone or to become someone?
Okay. So thank you for the question. The first thing that I can say is that the question is really hard, really philosophical question to think a lot and to discuss. And this quotation, as far as I understand, means that life is not good, that you have to struggle, you have to try to get something, to get joy in your life, that life is not supposed to joy. But I believe that it's not true. I believe that life is for pleasure. So when you was born here, you have to get as much pleasure as you can, but without bad consequences. For example, you can drink a lot, get pleasure one time, and to be ill after this. I think that you have to get pleasure and to think about the future. And even if you look at small flowers, they are growing up and they want to look to the sun. When you look to small puppies, they want to play with each other and to get fun in their life. And I think the person is also born here to get pleasure and to get joy in their life. But at the same time, I believe that there is a lot of people who don't want us to be happy. Because if you are happy, if you are satisfied with your life, they can control you. But for example, if you are hungry, they can show you some care, and you will go wherever they want. So I think that religion, church, government, advertisement, it's everything that don't want us to be happy. And I think that it's only your choice in your life whether to be happy or not. So I encourage you that despite all the things in life, despite the tsunami in Japan, despite the price of the petrol, you have to be happy, you have to enjoy your life.